What's going on?
I have no idea.
Oh, David's got pizza. You drop some ham. Do you want it?
So we've checked out of our Havana Airbnb, Casa Thompson, and before our actual checkout time, 10 o'clock, we're just sitting here in the plaza, waiting for a taxi. Collectivo taxi should come around 11 to 11:30. I don't know if it picks up anyone else, so hopefully not. I don't know. But yeah, we're just waiting here. Nothing really to do. Maybe get breakfast. We got all our bags with us, so it's kind of an inconvenience. David's just over there. I don't know what he's doing. Here we are. And yeah, so we're going to head to Vinales for today and stay the night there before coming to Havana. And until then, see you at Vinales.
Waiting for the taxi that we ordered from the Airbnb host. Hasn't arrived. Looks like we'll have to sort it out ourselves.
We got like warm now.
Our taxi finally arrived, like half an hour late. After we were getting our Casa family trying to help us out, they was about to order another taxi. Now we'll just stop somewhere random and they got out for a moment. So we're not really sure what's happening. But at least we're on the way to Vinales.
So the taxi on the way to Vinales. Don't know where our taxi drivers went. They said un momento. They came out half an hour late, so we had a massive fiasco about that.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get to Vinales in time.
What did you learn from that incident, Gary?
Learn to wing it. Winging it can be better than planning ahead. Also luck.
Yeah. Got a DVD player for the long ride.
Adelante y atrás tienen unas piscinas así chiquitas de veo. Adelante, frena a partir, sí.
The Airbnb organised lobster for dinner tonight, and they're going to cook that for us when we get back from this tour. Once we find out where it starts, pretty interesting place. Some goats walking around and stuff. Yeah.
Right after the triumph of the revolution, the Cuban government took properties from people, like the big farms. They were divided into small pieces. Horses are just for riding, transportation, and racing. We race horses. People bet a lot of money on this. Right one is a hunter. Now you have the process, yeah. Colors are amazing.
Oh, looks like it's gonna break.
Always we plant marigolds. You know marigolds? The yellow flowers? These are always next to or on the head. But at or on the head. Nursery we plant marigolds or corn. Why? These are beetroots. Oh yeah. These mogotes are typical from here, from this region. We have them in Halong Bay. This is a small spring. We have some from time to time. And the water is not that pure, so we never drink. The water is just for the animals, you know. Just people can walk like maybe 10 more meters. Hello? Hola.
Buenos días. Tardes.
So I went to the store and I found a cohiba like in 35 something. It was a big cigar, really thick and slow out. Don't do that. I was a teacher before. I was a professor of English.
Tira un poquito de ron así en la taza, ¿no? Es lo que queda.
For sure, you're really lucky. The clients I worked with yesterday, they couldn't see. At least you can see the red skin. Sky. Sorry. My clients from yesterday, they could see nothing. It was really cloudy. Really, really cloudy.
Finishing the day finally. All very hungry with some lobster.
Lobster.
Lobster. Homemade.
Oh, good info.